Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to view check-in location in Zoho People. All right, so first up, we're going to show you in the employee's end. All right, and second one, if you are an admin. Okay, so first up, if you're an employee, you can go ahead over to attendance right here. All right, now go ahead and select the date. For example, this one right here, I'm just going to click on it. And as you can see, you'll be able to see the location where you logged in or checked in. Also, when you hover over the information icon right here, you'll be able to see your IP address as well, which I'm not going to do. So once that's done, you're good to go. You have the information. Now, if you are an administrator, okay, let's just go ahead and open up the admin profile right here. All right, this one is a admin. So what we'll do is just go ahead over to home. And then what we'll do is just go ahead over to the top, click on organization. And to check our employees, let's go ahead over to department directory. And we're going to view, for example, we have one in here, which is in the HR department. So all we'll do is just click on his or her profile. Okay, now we'll go ahead over to attendance. Okay, and here, let's go ahead and click on the date. And as you can see, the same set of location has been shown. And that's basically it. Just make sure, okay, if you're an admin, go ahead over to the gear icon right here at the top right. And then what you'll do is go ahead over to attendance, okay? And make sure under check-in and check-out, track and show check-in and check-out location is enabled. Also, if you want to, you could go ahead and make location sharing mandatory during check-in and check-out as well, okay? For web and mobile, all right? And there you have it. That is how you view check-in locations here in Zoho People. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.